No longer have to listen to the sound of the car door closing, making your head start and losing your car thanks to this motorcycle shock absorber button. With a special material, 1 inch thick, a little bigger than the Fox, just attach it to the edge of the front and rear doors. The contact position of the door, hood, and body of the car with the car body will greatly limit the pressure on the car body. Extremely strong adhesive, compact design, does not lose aesthetics, can be attached to all types of vehicles on the market. Disassembly and installation are completed in just a minute.